So did you like Ancona?
I really loved ANCONA. I was not expecting. I think I really like the sea in winter, and here is like one of the best places that you can visit if you like raw sea in cold season.
So we will come back.
Yeah, I will, and I will bring you with me.
Today we are in Ancona, the city where I was born, and because the weather it looks very well, really good, sunny a bit, not too much wind, and we are gonna have a trip on a sailing boat, so we are quite excited.
We are Deniz and Stefano, not yet full-time travelers. We are keeping our 9-to-5 jobs and discovering our beautiful world at the same time. We own a van from Westfalia. It is our adventure body on wheels that provides us all we need to stay outside but feel like home. If you like to travel and looking for new adventures, hey, let's be friends! Enjoy this video and ask us anything in the comments below. So much world, so little time. Ste, how do you feel being back to your city that you are born?
After 10 years mostly, yeah, since I moved to Swiss I didn't come here, so it's exciting.
And you're happy to see your uncle?
Yeah.
He's
I
such a
was
cool
missing
guy.
this guy, yeah.
He's really
Yeah,
cool.
we had such a nice morning on the sailing boat, and then the weather is not the best, but yeah, he's happy to be here.
Let us follow you.
Follow me.
Yeah. We have 3 foghini, guys. 3 foghinis.
Foghinis. Le foghinis.
Sì, sono 3 adesso.
Cominciasse una bella concentrazione.
3.
It is a little bit darker than I expected, but I can't make extra light right now.
I put my face, yeah.
Yes. So, congratulations for your new job. My successful dear. I'm so happy for you. You deserve the best.
Thank you.